On March 2006, Amtrak train number 4, the City of New Orleans, was departing Raton Pass Station. The train consisted of two P32-8BWs, 805 leading, 520 trailing. Behind the engines were some material handling cars, a baggage car, 11 superliner cars, and finally 5 more material handling cars. Soon, the train left Raton Pass Station. But the engineer didn't know that there was trouble on the tracks ahead. A truck was making some deliveries at Walmart. However, it got stuck on the tracks. But the City of New Orleans was flying straight towards it. The truck driver then gets out of his truck to call 911 to tell him that his truck got stuck on the tracks. However, he heard a horn. It was the City of New Orleans flying down the track. The engineer spotted the truck in his way. He slammed on the emergency brakes. However, the City of New Orleans slams into the truck at 93 miles per hour. The force of the collision completely destroyed the truck's cab and trailer, causing it to lay on its side nearby the tracks, while the lead locomotive suffered serious nose, handrail, and cowcatcher damage as it smashed into the truck by the force of the collision. Thankfully, no one was killed. However, the engineer and conductor did sustain injuries. The truck driver was not injured because he was running from his truck seconds before the collision. Then everyone asks, what caused a train to collide to a truck like this? One investigation was later launched by the NTSB. They stated that the truck's engine burned out while trying to cross a crossing. That's what caused the truck to get stuck on the tracks. In the end, after the accident, the trucking company was to blame, and the passengers on board the train were all right. As for 805, when it delivered the passenger train, it was taken to Amtrak shops for repairs and remained in service until it was retired in 2019 and was sold to ATSF, where it was renumbered and repainted into 1890. Which continues to be in service as of today. As for the passenger cars and material handling cars, they continue to be around as of 2021. It has been 16 years since the City of New Orleans smashed into the truck. Hopefully, we never see an Amtrak and truck ever collide again.